I hear the crowd calling out my name. I can feel my heart pounding out my chest. It's an adrenaline rush.
Ladies and gentlemen, with a great start for the professional division. Moving out to the bout number 5, the professional flyweight bout. In the blue corner, representing Fitness Swing Gym under the coach Sumit Khare, an undefeated fighter with a flawless record built on consistency and control. Let's hear it for Sangram Singh Godse. In the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, a solid performer, handpicked from the Warriors Dream Series Rising Star 6, representing Fit and Fight Club, a rising force, making his professional debut, stepping in with the intent to make an impact. Let's hear it for Sagar Dange. This is a professional flyweight MMA where speed, precision, timing are everything. An undefeated run makes a new beginning tonight. Here we go with this bout.
Soak it in, folks. The professional debut of Sagar Dange. Both fighters have huge crowds to back up in here. They've got huge crowd support, and I think that makes for an interesting clash.
Love seeing this support for both of these fighters. And now we commence.
And here we go.
So we kick off the fight.
A lot of lateral movement.
Both of them gauging the distance.
Sangram downloads the data and he
Those were
attacks
some
with.
big shots.
He lands two beautiful overhand rights.
He was fast with those strikes.
He saw the opening and went for it straight away. Those were stinging right hands, man. Another right hand over the top. These boys are swinging.
It's an all-in-all bout.
I think the crowd support is playing a huge factor in this. Both
Exactly.
fighters are not ready
The
to
energy
yield
is
ground.
wild here. Couple of clinch knees. That's really good. Again, this is the pro division. It is Sagar's pro debut. He's going to use those knees. The knees are legal.
That's another beautiful right hand by Sagar. Now he's
Yes.
starting to dig the body a little bit.
The attacks to the body are phenomenal. One of them appears to be cut. There, they
What
begin the
Sagar-
barrage again.
What Sagar is doing brilliantly is he's reaching forward,
He lands an
physically
overhand
hooking his
again.
opponent, and that's
There's opportunity for a dash here. But Sangram is controlling Sagar's leg pretty well. He's not going to let him get that finish. So far, Sagar has done good on his feet. Now the
he
test
reverses
is,
the position and now
can
he
he do
takes
the
his
same on
opponent's
the
back.
ground?
Yes.
the body triangle is there, but it isn't completely locked. So he needs to lock it, and he does it.
He pivots and adjusts well. Now he's on top.
Okay, there could be an escape here.
He's trying to apply all that body weight from that position, trying to gas him out a little bit.
This may be like some sort of a reverse can opener, which does not work. Now is the chance to escape because the triangle isn't that tight.
Sangram Singh unleashing some strikes from that.
And he escapes the
And he-
position. He escapes that triangle. The crowd is going wild.
Sagar is trying to set up that triangle, but Sangram Singh is wise to his advances.
There is a ground and pound opportunity here. He needs to get rid of that underhook though. So there was an opportunity for a TP choke, but then it's transitioned into a ground and pound for Sangram. He had the knee on belly. Sagar gets out.
He had that chin strap, but he now
That was a big knee. Sagar escapes that knee. They're brawling again. This is what the crowd wants to see.
Sangram invites the exchanges. He's not afraid to swing with him.
There you go. There's an uppercut overhand pattern, and they're keeping at it.
If you look at the exchanges,
There's the
Sangram
knee
is going
again.
for the volume. That was a beautiful
This is
knee.
the brawl that everybody wants to see.
Man, these fighters are fighting fire with fire.
Exactly.
A short overhand right, a short underhook.
Entertaining press conference and an equally entertaining fight.
Don't you love when those fights deliver after those press
For
conferences?
sure. 40 seconds to go, and these guys look like they could go all day. Catches him with the right overhand.
If you look at the punches now, they are not coming off a pivot or off a hip. They are coming from the shoulders. They are just here to swing.
Yep, they're brawling it out.
They engage in the grueling battle of clinches now.
Quite a lot of opportunities for clinch knees. And there you have the knee from the clinch. That's the end of round one. What a brawl by both of these fighters.
What a round we've had, right? There was a moment in the fight that I thought this fight would not see the next round. But here we are.
Exactly. Both of them have had shots right on their chin and they're standing. They're eating knees to the head.
Both of them had finishing opportunities. But we move on to the next round.
Phenomenal endurance by both of these fighters. Sagar is getting to know what a pro fight feels like now.
I think he's prepared for it. Just a few deep breaths.
Now come the adjustments. Let's see how that goes.
Both fighters trying to get the heart rate down, adjust into the second round.
like an all-in-all war. Let's see if that energy carries on to the second round or if they're going to pace themselves better.
You think the coaches will ask them to pace themselves, or the game plan has already gone out of the window?
Even if the coaches ask them, I'm not really sure if they're going to follow that.
A quick touch of the gloves, and here we go. Second round. Slightly more measured approach from Sagar.
So you can see the pattern. Wait for your opponent to strike and counter it with an overhand. This is what's going on.
Sangram Singh keeping the volume going. He's attacking with a deep kick to the front.
Just look at that, gauging of distance.
A quick warning from the referee for open hand strikes. That was good officiating. A jab to the chest, and he ducks for a
And
takedown,
there's the
and he gets
takedown.
it.
Gets a clean double leg takedown. He's transitioning to side control, but then Sagar has him in a guillotine. Needs to get into full guard
Sagar has
to
a chin
finish
strap
this.
as of now.
It's not going to finish from this position. Sangram being very smart and not letting Sagar get into full guard, but then he manages to escape from the guillotine grip. So great defensive work on the ground. So this is the second time that maybe Sagar was going for a TP choke, but it feels difficult to finish from this angle.
Yeah, he was trying to control the head and possibly set the triangle as well. But it's a difficult position to be in.
There he's inside control now. Sagar doing a good job, escapes from it well. It's the use of the hips that saves him.
Now Sagar
Back
goes
on
for
their
the
feet.
single leg. They are back on the feet. Sangram tries to unleash that lead knee.
So the cage takedown might be a little easy, and he converts it into a slam. There's the ground and pound. There's the ground and pound. We might have a finish.
The
We
crowd
might
is
have a
loving every
finish.
bit of this action.
The volume of strikes, we might have a finish here.
Sangram Singh smells the blood and is looking for the finish.
Sagar manages to get out of this tricky situation, but the strikes are raining.
He recognizes that Sagar is in danger. Just relentless pressure from Sangram Singh from this position.
I have to say, Sagar is quite resilient. He's taking those punches.
But this is a
Spreads
very
him,
bad
and then
position to
he's
be
again
in.
getting
He
into
spreads him
his
out
ground and
completely.
pound.
And the referees,
There, we might have an end now. He's raining those strikes.
the
He's
referee is
raining
asking to
them,
fight back, and that's
there's
a wrap.
the end. That's a TKO finish by Sangram. He was dominant in this fight. Man, the volume of strikes he threw right from ground and pound were amazing. The takedowns he finished were amazing.
Sangram Singh gets the win, much to the crowd's delight.
Round number 2, referee Rishikesh stopped the fight at time 3 minutes 33 seconds by winner by TKO in blue corner.
Well, Sangram, congratulations. I want you to speak few words for all of us.
पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉरियर टीम सीरीज, मुझे चांस देने के लिए फिर से खेलने का। तो थैंक यू सुमित सर, जिनका ये बर्थडे गिफ्ट है। ओके, जैसे कि उनको मैंने प्रॉमिस किया बर्थडे गिफ्ट दूंगा। ओके, बर्थडे गिफ्ट दूंगा, मैंने प्रॉमिस पूरा किया। ओके, और मेरे फिटनेस विंग की सब सपोर्टर टीम वहाँ पे, उनके लिए भी थैंक यू सो मच। और बढ़िया गेम था, सागर भी अच्छा खेला। ओके, हालांकि वो चाहता था कि फर्स्ट राउंड फिनिश करना, उसका ड्रीम अधूरा रह गया, मैंने फिनिश कर दिया। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। बस
I see the lights, and I'm back in the fight.